Good. Okay, right now watch me. We change it to our side. You keep turn, close your arm. And then turn to this way. Yes. And then kneel down up. And then we do our side. Okay? Come on, we do our side. Yes. Stay there. Stretch. Okay, you can relax like this. Bounce a little. This is all okay. Good. And then you go down. Yes. Beautiful. And then up. You arch back. One more time, go down, front. Beautiful. And then up, arch back. Nice. Stay for a moment. And then up. And then turn. Stay. Sit on the floor. Hold your front. Flex your foot for a moment. And head down. Stay there. Good. Don't move. Right now, point. And flex. You can use your hand to help. Point. And push it down, use your hand. And flex. Pull. Again, point. And flex. Beautiful. Right now, hold there for a little bit longer. Yes, flex. Use your hand hold. Stretch your heel. Good. Okay, right now, up. We do all the way down. All the way down. Okay, stay 1 minute. Stay there. Don't move. Hold there. 1 minute. Okay, finish, girls. Okay. Relax. Okay, relax. Just shake it out, relax. Okay. Right now, we do a stretch, okay? We go front stretch. Ready? Arm up. Yes. Oh, hold down the music. Don't move. Stay there. Straight your knee. Keep your leg together. Ready? Go front. 1. And hold. Up. Good. Again. Use your chin to reach your toes. And up. Feel your backbone fully straight. Use your chin to reach your toes. Stay there. Don't move. Hold. And up. Open leg to the side, okay? Go to the side. And up. Again, to the side. And up. Same side again. Good, same side. Yes. Hold there, stay. Don't move. And up. We do our side last time. Ready? Our side 1. And up. Again. and up. Right now we hold a little longer. Stay. And up. Right now we close your leg. Stay. And lay down. Close your leg, lay down. Okay, we bend one leg and hold your leg. Pull to your body. Stay. Hold there. Let your leg a little circle here. A little circle. Little circle. Right now, straight your knee. Pull your leg to you as much as you can. Pull. Pull. All the way. Stay there. As much as you can. And release. Right now, we trace. Keep your leg go to the side. Hold, stay. Twist. Don't move. And up. Switch to the other side. Bend your knee. Hold your knee. And pull to you. Relax. Stay. And then we do a little circle. A little circle. One more circle. Straight your knee. Right now, this time you need to pull as much as you can. All the way to you. Stay. Hold there. Hold there. Okay, right now release. Leg twist. Put the leg to the side. Yes. Stay for a moment. Hold the twist. Don't move. Very good. Right now, back to boss knee bend. Okay? And then hold your boss knee, just stay this position. Let your lower back relax. Your whole back on the floor. Let it relax. Just stay there. You can cross your leg. It's okay too. Make comfortable. Relax. Give it a moment. Okay, good. Right now, put your boss foot down. Okay, bend your knee. Right now, we do our favorite thing. Okay, set up. Use your hand, hold your yoga mat, so you won't hurt your neck when you're doing that. Okay, hold it, and then you start to go out like that. Okay, so ready? Let's do 10 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay. For a moment, don't move.